Hello kids, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do an experiment of leaves. And do you know why some leaves are green and yellow? Because of pigments. Because of the pigmentation of chlorophyll. Some leaves are green because of chlorophyll. Some leaves are yellow because they do not have chlorophyll. So let's start the experiment. For that you need to require vinegar, 2 tissue papers, 2 transparent glasses, and a normal glass with tap water, and some green leaves and yellow leaves. So I'm going to cut some pieces of leaves. Now I am going to pour some vinegar in it. Now pouring some vinegar in it. Wait. You need to wait half hour. After half an hour. You can see it started fading. So I'm going to take a tissue paper and going to dip it. So you can see how much color it is. Now take another tissue paper and dip it under the glass. And wait for some time. After 10 minutes, you can see it is green color in the tissue paper. That's for it today, and you can do this experiment at home and do not drink the vinegar. And that's for it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.